steak and pasta with a delicious Alfredo sauce. For the steak I used this beautiful piece of Bavette steak, and we're gonna season it softly with garlic powder, pepper, I use black pepper, and Himalaya salt. As always, do the backside. Now let's prep it for the sous vide. 55.5 degrees for 3 hours will be enough. Now it's gonna take a really nice bath. We're gonna prep the water for the fettuccine. I use some oil, some salt, and let it boil, and then put the fettuccine in. It only needs about 1 to 3 minutes because it's a fresh fettuccine, so they don't need that very long. Steak, I used some olive oil and some butter, just simple. 1.5 minutes per side, and then I let it rest for 10 minutes. Now for the Alfredo sauce. I used about 3 tablespoons of butter, and I used some heavy cream. And really mix that good. And when that's done, I added 1 cup of Parmesan. Really let that incorporate. I used some nutmeg, garlic powder, black pepper, and some salt. And more Parmesan. I added more Parmesan and some chives. And now add the fettuccine, and let's make some friends. The steak rested, now let's slice it. Ooh, it has a nice color. Ah, beautiful. It's ready for plating. Let's do this. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this. It's really delicious. Give it a like, subscribe if you want. And as always, see you next time.